Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Nelly Maneja, 33 years old, from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I have a partner. I have 4 children, ages 15, 11, 7, and 3. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm Aglipayan.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay. Are you an ex-abroad?
No,
So you have experience here in the Philippines?
yes, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. How many members of the family did you serve?
1 month.
Only one. Who's the one here?
Elder. 1 month.
Okay. How old is she?
74 months.
74. Is she healthy when you work with them?
He is bedridden.
Bedridden. So how do you take care of her? Do you need to assist her in bathing?
Yes, ma'am. I assist to bathing, giving her medicine, and I'm going her to for her checkups, ma'am.
So her schedule monthly or weekly checkup?
Monthly, ma'am.
Monthly checkup. Okay. So beside caring of her, what else did you do as a helper?
I do cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Okay. She's a bedridden, right?
Yes, ma'am.
She cannot eat by herself or you need to feed her?
I need to feed her.
Okay. Also, is she wearing diaper?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need also time to time to check her diaper and change it?
When he get a poo, I change her diaper, and if her diaper full, I
So
check.
time to time you need to check the diaper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is she also, can she sit or no?
I assist ma'am.
So she's also using wheelchair.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work Hong Kong for my children's future and her daily needs, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing also to care elderly or sick elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you handle also kids?
Yes, ma'am.
About newly born baby, it's okay for you to look for a newly born baby as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will focus to my work, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept job order that there's also a grandparents staying in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Ma'am, sir, if you hired me as your helper, I will do my very best for my obligation and responsibilities, and I'm a hardworking person and trustworthy.
Will you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2136.